You don't want this thing back there. You don't want these back there.
That's funny.
I'm gonna see what he gonna say about the weed. See if he gonna fix
Man, I hope she got some good weed, man.
Oh.
I hope she one of them dudes who was trying to flirt with her. I hope they gave her some good. Did you buy it then? That weed? Or somebody, you know, they be giving weed away when they like it.
Well, you have to pay for it one way or the other.
Oh, you gotta. He said you gotta pay for it one way or the other. Free for a limited time only. It's like the McRib, y'all.
This your lighter?
Yeah.
You sure? Because I got this same color.
Nah, Wilson be lying. You gotta watch Wilson.
I know.
Yeah.
All I need, but I do got this same color.
But Wilson will keep your lighter, man. He kept mine. I had a blue one.
When I can.
Anybody
I
want
like
some
them
fives,
beats.
man? Get some fives, man.
Wait for what I did in the silver.
I like them bigs.
I would have bet with Silver Dollar. Sancho? Oh. It look like they got.
Camera, you on live?
Yeah, I'm on live. They
You
still
just stay
talk.
on there the whole time you at the track?
I just stay on live the whole time.
I got you right now. I see you.
Yeah, I got you on my page.
Yeah, he has a website. Look out.
Okay.
Everybody gonna be looking at you like, oh yeah, that's a big block. That's a 427. Oh, it got some rods and pistons in it. Oh, it's solid roll. They got a cam. I can see the springs on the heads. Oh, it got some headers on it. Oh, they gonna want you, yeah. They gonna want that. Oh, it got some headers on it too. Oh man, stainless steel. They gonna want you. I'm gonna tell them too. 3-inch exhaust all the way to the back. Got some 28 10.5 on the. Got some good tires on them. 275 Mickey Thompson, fresh out the box.
She got a black and red camera.
Anybody looking for a big block? She got that intake.
It's nice too.
They on her. She got that intake, y'all. Rods, pistons,
You so good.
everything forged. Got a little nitrous plate on it too. She ain't got no fogger. She got a plate.
Oh.
Got a nitrous plate on it. Look, Merc ready, nice. That's like he don't want no fogger. He wants the plate. That's my boy. Merc ready say he don't need no plate. Super Mike ready.
Hey, don't forget to remind me when we gonna do the video call, okay?
Ooh, she be video calling.
Okay. All right.
Yeah,
That's
she
my
on the
nephew.
phone. Oh, I thought all the people got excited. Oh yeah, she be video calling.
Oh my
He
God.
said this my first.
Is this
time
your
out
first
here.
time out here?
Maybe I'm a veteran. I've been.
Oh, you a veteran?
before you came.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh, I ain't know you knew
Wasn't
nothing.
no such thing as what he called his organization.
XRP.
Look out.
No,
This
look
ain't
Oh,
out.
look out. Oh, you was out doing it with
I
some
mean,
bitch.
I done been to the gut and everything. I'm way killing it. I'm way from
Oh, you
way
was killing
back.
it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I done
I was born in track.
She got her timing set right, y'all.
Yeah.
I done been to every track. I done been to Houston, Memphis.
What?
Yeah, I done been all
I just left Memphis.
Okay, well, I done been all around. Wherever they used to go, that's where we used to be there.
Okay. She knows
Couldn't
something,
miss
y'all.
us.
Yeah.
Going to yellow.
All her tail lights
I
good.
don't want no lights.
Oh my
That's
bad.
the
You
lights
go do a
every
full
day.
inspection. Brand new tires, front and
That's
back,
right.
drag
You
radius.
right.
Yeah.
Damn right.
She
Rolling.
ain't playing, y'all.
And gas tank on F.
Oh, you got damn. She filled up.
Yeah.
Damn.
Gas tank on F.
She don't play no games. She fully maintenance, y'all.
I ain't new to it. I'm true to it.
That's right.
Okay, she got it ready, y'all. They one of them good big blocks they took care of.
That's right.
They ain't just dog it, push it to the floor every chance they get.
That's right.
They ain't do all
You
that.
trying to be funny.
They made sure the shocks was good, that front end.
Everything is good.
Yeah, that
Everything,
front end, all that. I
These
got it.
ain't rebuilt parts.
Oh, it's still all original OEM. When some tear up, they just go back to the factory. Hey, they don't get all them aftermarket parts
No,
and
we'll do that.
all that Napa and.
Straight from the dealer.
Okay,
Straight
okay,
from
she
the
real
dealer.
deal right here, y'all. Some of y'all can't handle this right here. It's too much.
That's right.
You know how they gotta go to AutoZone
Yeah,
and
yeah,
O'Reilly.
can't get these parts that I don't
No,
know.
yeah, you
No,
getting these
hell
the
no.
original brake pads, no dust.
That's it. That's
You know,
the
low
key.
dust.
That's right. That's the
Not
key
that
word.
And then you might have
AutoZone.
to wait on them a little while, but they
Yeah.
might have to ship them.
Okay, you don't mind on back order. You gonna
Yeah.
make sure you get the right one.
Yeah.
You got
She
Will
getting the
call.
right one,
You
y'all.
got Will call pick up your part.
Yeah.
No,
My boy,
no,
baby boy
no.
said that's well maintained.
That's
Yeah.
right.
That's
That's
it.
right.
That's
That's
it.
right.
Any hair damage? No, they got the body
It's
straight.
a little bit. It's
Oh,
a
you got a
little
little
bit.
dent?
It's a little bit.
Oh, it
Depends
got a
on
little
which
dent.
way you look at it.
Yeah, it depends. You know how some, when you look at it from an angle,
Yeah, it might
it got-
look like it might
but
be
if
a
you
little
come back
soft,
from the
yeah.
regular side, you don't see nothing. They
But
said
it's
it's,
all good.
they said it's
all
the
good.
tint peeling. Is the tint peeling? No, the tint still good.
No, tint ain't peeling.
Tint still
No,
good.
tint ain't
Tint
peeling.
good. You can look in there, can't really see nothing.
Yeah, can't see nothing.
Can't see nothing. 20 on the front. She got that purple tint. No, they got hers
No, it's
redone.
black. Mine is
Black.
black.
Black still. Well maintained. She used the Windex, wipe it, wax
What's the
on, wax
darkest
off.
one you can get?
5%.
Huh?
5%.
This is 10%.
Okay.
This is 10%.
Okay, she got all.
Yeah,
She
yeah,
got the
this is
5%.
10%.
10. She didn't.
Yeah.
Smoked
Okay.
in. She smoked in.
Okay, they say the door shut good. Yeah, the door shut good. Still got a little bass in the door. Boom. You know, you ain't gotta lift it up. It ain't one of them doors you gotta lift up. You know the
No,
door.
ain't no suicide doors and all that.
You know how when you close, you gotta bump it a little bit.
No.
Your door just
Everything
closed.
is good, I'm telling you.
It's mint
Everything.
condition, man. Mint
No,
condition.
no, it ain't mint condition.
Oh, it ain't mint.
No.
It just been taken care of.
No, it ain't mint condition.
It ain't
It's
mint.
Excellent condition.
Excellent, excellent, y'all.
Excellent.
It's called Monet. Looks good from afar. Got an air freshener and everything. I can smell it over here. Team Thundercock want to know if it's an air freshener. Yeah.
Air
I
freshener.
bet she needs a technician. No, she's
I
not.
don't need no
She going
technician.
straight to the dealer. She don't need
I've been dealing with the same people all my life.
All the
I don't
same
let
one.
nobody else up under the
all up under the hood. She don't let everybody all up under the hood.
No, I
peeking.
don't play that.
All you need,
Don't care.
all that.
That's why it's so well kept.
Yeah.